What's up, folks? I'm turning this pair of matching coffee tables into a present for my beautiful wife using a little bit of epoxy. Stay tuned, enjoy the video. All right, I'm gonna remove the tops. Cool, that was easy. Just gonna rough up. This has got like a cheap lacquer on it, so any smooth surface like that, just rough it up with 220.
Okay, so this little end table set caught my eye when I was scrolling the Facebook Marketplace because they were exactly what my wife was saying she wanted next to our couch in our living room. The person I picked them up from was having an everything must go sale, so I lucked out and got the set for only 20 bucks. They weren't in terrible shape, but as you all know, I love coating things with epoxy, so let's do this. My wife Angie was inspired by some recent projects we've done, so I wanted to do a similar tropical look with my colors. I mixed up those colors, put them all back in the big bucket, and let that epoxy do its magic. There's no real precise method to how I pour those colors back in that bucket. I just simply try to be random with it. Once the resin is out and flowing around, I know it's gonna come out great every single time. I wasn't really worried about taping off the inside edge of those tops because I knew if I just took my time with it, it would level out perfectly, so no need for that extra tape. When I was pouring out all the colors, I just went in a flow that kind of complemented the round shape with no real rhyme or reason. The epoxy's going to move and meld and create wonderful looking effects all on its own. Once I had the end tables filled up, I misted some isopropyl alcohol, 91%, to create those little cool natural cells. I love doing this step because it really ties it all together and makes it look less man-made in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. Cross your fingers. I hope my wife likes these. This style of epoxy countertops is very DIY and beginner friendly. Just grab a few colors, mix them up, pour them back into that bucket, and let the epoxy do the hard work for you. Folks, I'm here to help you get that project started. Ask me anything. Begin your comment with, "Hey Mitch." I'll personally hop into the comment section and answer every single one. Yeah, boy, well, I hope it doesn't go. Well, I'm never voting for it not to go viral.
Dude, these look sick! I'm pumped about it. My God, my guy, my guy. Oh my gosh, there's a lot going on here. And I'm gonna take this blue tape off. I'm gonna reattach them to the base, and my holiday shopping is complete. Let me know in the comments below, what would you pay for a set of end tables like this, custom created by yours truly? Yeah, and you could get tables like this in the online marketplace. You can grab them at Goodwill, all over the place. People are getting rid of stuff like this. You're looking for some extra cash this holiday season, grab some stuff, flip it with epoxy, make presents, make money. Most important thing is you're making, because this stuff is more fun than it is work. I love working with epoxy. Taking a nasty table and turning it into something cool like that, that's winning. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned a couple techniques and skills to get you going down the road of creating something cool like this. Up-leveling old furniture, keep it out of the dump. Thanks for watching. Until next time from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this, and we'll see you on the next video. Adios.